Namaste. Recently, I tried the paper cut art Halloween book from Sachin Sachdeva, and I had taken a color by number version of that, and I have taken the original version which did not have any borders. And I was quite okay with the experience. Yes, it is more difficult when you are trying to color it when there are no borders, but I also felt that the outcome was a little more different than the normal color by number books. So I decided to go ahead and purchase more paper cut art, but I got fooled by the two different color covers, and I didn't realize that I'm actually ordering the same book in different formats. So this one is Christmas color by number and this one is Christmas color by colors, and I just happened to flip through it and I saw that it is the same images. The only difference is that these are sort of gray version and these are color by color. So let's do a quick flip through. I'll do the gray version first, and this one you have options when you are purchasing it. It gives you the option of buying the original version or with the outline. So I purchased the original version because I liked the Halloween one in the way it was. But now thinking about it, I'm thinking maybe I should have gone for the outline version because I already have a paper cut original version in the Halloween book, and now that I have a color by color, maybe this one I should have tried with the outlines. Anyways, so this is Advent calendar, and I'm already late for it. As you can see, by the time I'm publishing this, you will see I'm too late for this, but I just wanted to have this book in my collection, and that's why I purchased it. So because this is supposed to be an Advent calendar, they have numbered the page. So this is what you are supposed to color on day 1, day 2, so from 1st of December till Christmas basically. um, I will do it whenever I feel like doing it. Frankly, uh, Christmas or no Christmas. Uh, my only sad part is that it's the same images. So, anyways, let's do a quick flip through because almost the same images we will see in the color by color. So, this, like, we'll see the same image again. I'm very curious to see if the color by color also has similar colors or is it colored in a different combination. I'm very curious to see, so we'll check that once we have done a flip through of this one. That's Santa stuck in the chimney upside down. That's quite funny. Okay, and then write one small step you took to change your life in the year 2021. I have seen this even in his Halloween book. And then, of course, information about the artist, his other books, and social media, and then umpteen number of color charts. I somehow always feel these are waste. Maybe Sachin needs to reconsider. I mean, this is a color by number book. Does he really need to give us 4 pages? I'm sure most of the people waste these pages. Even these color testing sheets are 2 if I'm not wrong. This one, this blank, this blank. So ultimately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages are basically not of much value. maybe just one blank page or one coloring chart sheet should be more than enough for, especially for a color by number, right? I mean, there's not many things that you need to try out. My recommendation would be, don't have so many pages, save trees. Don't add pages, which paper which is just going to lie in this book waste, or give more pictures rather than just giving this many blank sheets and coloring charts and stuff like that. This is my recommendation. But again, the books, do we really need 1, 2, 3, 4 pages? Maybe they can make it a little smaller and fit it into 2 pages or something like that. I don't know. I always feel his books have too many extra pages. Anyways, coming to the color by color, I did not realize, because the cover was different, the dumb person that I am, I didn't realize that if it's a Christmas advent calendar, it will be the same pages inside. I realized it after I received it. So anyways, it's always a pleasure to have more coloring books, but it's just that the images will be the same. So here I think the difference in the color by color is, and I really like that they have made the effort to do it, is, if I am not wrong, they are giving us the colors that will be required only for this page. For example, here these are the colors that will be required, and here you see these colors. The turquoise, light blue are missing because those won't be needed on this page. And I really hope that one day he will put the same effort in his other color by number, because he just gives a plain 21 color palette and you really need to just check while coloring what you need. So I'm glad that they took the effort. Now let's do a quick flip through to see how these look with the colors on. So these are the ones, and then we will also check if the color combinations that he has used in the color by color and the color combinations that he has suggested in the color by number, if they are the same. If they are the same, there's no problem for me. What I will do is just, I will follow the color by color according to his suggestions, because it would look better if I do that. And for the color by number, then maybe I'll just ignore the palette that he has provided, and I'll do something with my own imagination. So they look quite interesting, and I'm sure that the ones which I have, once I have colored, will also look quite nice. Okay, and then again, as I mentioned, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 pages, which I personally think half of them at least could easily be just eliminated. Save paper. That's all I could say. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, it fell open on 22. Let's check in 22 what are the colors that he has suggested. So here the scarf, for example, is yellow, and here the number is 6, so 6 is also yellow. Okay, and here it is saying 8, and 8 is green, and here also it is green. So I think it is the same color combinations that he has used in both the books, just that here it is a number palette and here it is by the colored lines. So what I will do is, whenever I am coloring in this, maybe I will try to use my own imagination to color, and here I will follow the palette that he has provided. So that was it. And how stupid I was to order two copies of the same book, just different varieties. And that too after Christmas is like uh, the season has already started, so I don't know if I will even color during the month of December. So let's see when I start coloring in it. It's good that I'm not a kind of person who bothers about seasons and stuff. Anyways, I hope you had liked the flip through of these books, and let me know what are your thoughts about those extra 7 to 11 pages that are provided in every such and such Deva book at the end, and what do you think about that? Thanks for having stopped by. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. Have a nice day. Bye.